What's the temperature?
181.
Dude, you're smoking. Sweet. My Simpsons are on fire. Alright, checking out my coolant system this morning. Last night we did some burnouts. We had a little bit of fun. Just doing a seat of the pants feel for what the stock system does before the Two Brothers racing gets installed, so we can try to feel a little different. And it appeared what was smoking off was maybe a little drip from the inlet and outlets. I upgraded these clamps, the hose clamps. You hope that you're upgrading. The big guy fit fairly well, as I recall. Pretty snug. The little ones, very poor fitting. Immediately dripping when I took off the, I mean, just absolutely loose. I wish they fit better, but not complaining. I've tightened this guy down just about as darn far as you think it should be, but those with a sharp eye would notice the filter there on the poly line coming back to the tank has been rerouted underneath this cross member. Sway bar is underneath, that's right. Still learning the machine. So, and that in preparation for the Two Brothers, which coming off the header, the exhaust will be coming across. Very possibly going to have to, excellent. 199 it says. I do have safety goggles on, just in case. Let's try to show how this expands and contracts. Anyway, pretty excited about the Two Brothers getting here, and we just wanted to do a little final checkout and preparation for that. So, and that should be here at lunchtime. Draw blood.